Hold on tight, Britain. Severe weather is barreling towards us, and while it might not be a named storm here, the potential for disruption is real. The Met Office has issued yellow warnings for both wind and rain across the UK this Thursday, so prepare for possible travel chaos and localized flooding. But here's where it gets interesting. This bout of unsettled weather is triggered by a deepening area of low pressure charging across southern England. While the Met Office currently believes the impacts in the UK won't be severe enough to warrant a name, don't let your guard down. Other European weather agencies, specifically the Royal Netherlands Meteorological Institute, KNMI, Meteo France, or the Royal Meteorological Institute of Belgium, might see things differently. Heavy rain is already on its way, spreading across southern England late Wednesday and relentlessly pushing northeast throughout Thursday. The Met Office's yellow rain warning blankets much of southern and eastern England, lasting from midnight Wednesday until 9 p.m. British Summer Time on Thursday. Expect widespread rainfall totals of 20 to 30 millimeters, around 1 inch, with some areas potentially seeing 30 to 50 millimeters, up to 2 inches. There's even a small chance that Devon, Cornwall, and eastern England could exceed these amounts. The most likely consequence? Localized flooding and disruptions to transportation. But the rain isn't the only concern. The wind is also picking up, prompting a separate yellow warning for West Wales and southwest England from 4 a.m. to 6 p.m. British Summer Time, and another for eastern England from 9 a.m. Thursday until nearly midnight. Expect very strong northwesterly winds, potentially gusting to 45 to 55 miles per hour, 70 to 90 kilometers per hour, across both regions. And this is the part most people miss: the East Coast could even see gusts reaching 65 miles per hour, 105 kilometers per hour. While there's still some uncertainty regarding the intensity, the Met Office warns of potential gusts up to a concerning 75 miles per hour, 120 kilometers per hour, for a short period on Thursday morning and afternoon. These wind speeds could easily topple trees, disrupt travel, and even cause power outages. So, why isn't the Met Office naming this storm? It's a question of impact. While the UK might escape the worst of it, northern France or Belgium could face much stronger winds. If the impacts are severe enough there, Meteo France or the Royal Meteorological Institute in Belgium might name it Storm Benjamin. Benjamin is next on their list of storm names. And here's another twist: the Netherlands. If the Dutch Meteorological Agency, KNMI, believes the impacts in their country will be more severe, they could name it first. Because the Netherlands partners with the UK and Ireland in the Western Meteorological Group, the name would come from our list. In that case, we'd be talking about Storm Bram. It might all seem a bit complicated, a web of interconnected weather agencies and naming protocols. The key takeaway is that these agencies communicate and collaborate to ensure a consistent message. A decision will be made, and all agencies will align. Now, here's the controversial part: some argue that the Met Office should be more proactive in naming storms, even if the UK isn't expected to bear the brunt of the worst weather. Their reasoning? Naming storms raises awareness and encourages people to take precautions, regardless of the precise location of the most severe impacts. Others argue that naming storms too readily dilutes the impact of the warnings when truly dangerous weather is approaching. What do you think? So, stay tuned to future forecasts and keep an eye on the weather updates. Be prepared for potential disruptions, and most importantly, stay safe. What are your thoughts on the current warnings? Do you think the potential impacts are being adequately communicated, or should more emphasis be placed on the possibility of a named storm? Let us know in the comments below.